All right, so right off the bat, man, we got the XIU 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger and stand. Now, I can just tell you right off the top, man, the positions here you can get with the stand. Um, this thing is super compact. It's definitely super compact. Remove from charger here, right? There we go. Bam, just like that. What charger you know that's a 3-in-1 combo that can fold into multiple positions? So you have here for your earbuds or AirPods or whatever, and you get them on there. You got the spot here for your Apple Watch, and then here is your Qi2 wireless charging pad right there. So yeah, let's take a look at what comes in the box though. So we get that, the charger itself. Now it also comes in this magnificent handy dandy traveling case. Now this is clutch. I haven't bought a charger, 3-in-1 charger, 2-in-1 charger that can actually that comes in an actual case, so you can pack it up on the go. You're good to go. We'll slap that in there just like that. Now it comes with the power brick, and it actually comes with the USB-C to USB-C cable also. So that's all you need. It's a one-stop shop right here, right? We got all of this in one nice price efficient package. So just disclaimer, XIU did send me this out to take a look at it, to do a short review on it, just to see, you know what I'm saying, put it out there for Black Friday, because it is on sale for Black Friday sale. Check the link below. But I think this is definitely a good stocking stuffer for your people who are in the world of Apple and the Android phones that have Qi2 wireless charging on it too, because the pad will actually work with that also. So again, look at that, man. That is nuts. And the build quality down here is pretty solid. So we got our stand. Bam. Let's throw some stuff on it. Let's plug it up. Let's see what we got. Bam. There we go. Just like that. So for your AirPods here, you got 5-watt wireless charging on this one. Not nothing super fast, but it'll get you done. Now for your actual Apple Watch, we have 5 watts for the charging there too. There we go with the charging on that. And for your phone, we got 15 watt for your phone. And of course, if you have it in landscape mode, you'll get your standby clock and calendar or whatever widget you put on your iPhone. This is 16 Pro, so nothing else needed. Got Qi2 wireless charging built into it. Man, I tell you what, this thing is super convenient. And by it being Black Friday, this is a steal of a deal. So again, check out the link below, and if you want to check one of these out, and drop a comment below if this is something that tickles your fancy just a little bit. I mean, it's not the biggest charger in the world, and it's not designed to be that. It's designed to be nice and compact so it can fit in the case that it came with. So for all you traveling folks like me, this would be a great addition to your bag. So you slap all of this in there. It's a one-stop shop, especially if you got the big three like me. You got the Apple Watch 2 Ultra 2, we got the AirPods Pro 2s, and we got the 16 Pro Max. You can't beat that, man. All right, so let's say you don't have AirPods, right? Still, it's a 3-in-1, so we can turn that into a 2-in-1. You fold it halfway, you keep that bottom slat down there closed. You can sit your charging case up like that. Slap an Apple Watch on there. And we charging. Look at there, just like that. Easy day. Then you can close that and you can slap your Apple Watch on there. I mean your iPhone on there, or whatever Qi2 wireless device that you have. Boom. Now that's in a lower profile than it was before. Same functionality, you're charging 2-in-1. Can't beat that. This is definitely ideal for anyone who travels a lot and they need to cut down on the amount of devices device chargers that you need to bring. I guess with the advent of USB-C, all right, cool, you can probably get away with that still too, but this is a one-stop shop. And again, bro, it comes in this magnificent carrying case. You got the power brick here. Boom, we out of there just like that. So again, this is the XIU 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger and stand, the X55, just in case you want to look it up. But I got a link down below in the description. Again, it's your boy Money Man from the set with another tech tip for the month of December. We're looking at gifts for Black Friday, and this will be a perfect stocking stuffer. At this price point, you really can't beat it, man. And this thing is super efficient. So there you go. Holla at your boy, man. Peace.